Eating lots of green vegetables, but your fibroids are still growing? These 5 foods could be the reason why. If you have fibroids and you're working hard to eat healthy, listen carefully. Many women add more green vegetables to their diet, and that's a great start. But what many women don't realize is that what you eat with your greens matters too. Here are 5 foods you may want to think twice about pairing with your green vegetables. Number 1, processed soy foods like tofu soy milk. Edamame soy contains compounds that can act like estrogen in the body. Since fibroids are often sensitive to hormones, this may not be the best choice for some women. Number 2, dairy foods like cheese, milk, cream. Many women notice they feel more bloated and congested when consuming dairy products. If you're working on supporting your body, it may be worth paying attention to how dairy affects you. Number 3, refined carbohydrates, foods like white bread, white rice, white pasta. These foods can cause blood sugar spikes. Stable blood sugar is an important part of overall hormone health. Number 4, seed oils. Watch out for sunflower oil, vegetable oil, rapeseed oil. These highly processed oils are found in many foods and dressings. Many women choose extra virgin olive oil instead. Number 5, alcohol. Alcohol places extra work on the liver. The liver plays an important role in processing hormones and supporting overall health. If you're trying to support your body, reducing alcohol may be helpful. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is awareness. Sometimes it's not just about eating more healthy foods. It's also about avoiding the foods that may work against your efforts. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more fibroid education and support. And if you're serious about understanding the exact system I use to shrink my fibroids and support my body naturally, join my webinar. Click the link below to secure your seat.